Wow, friends, do you hear that? Sizzle, sizzle. Do you smell that? Hello, friends, I am Emma, and tonight I am in Malacca, Malaysia, at the famous Jonker Street Market. Look at all the lights, red lanterns everywhere, busy stalls, delicious food, and so many people. Are you ready for a night market adventure? Let's explore together. Let's go! First, let's learn today's words. Listen carefully. Number 1. Night market. A night market is an outdoor market that opens at night with food and shopping. Number 2. Stall. A stall is a small shop or table where people sell things. This market has hundreds of stalls. Number 3. Lantern. A lantern is a colorful light. The red lanterns make the street so beautiful. Number 4. Aroma. Aroma is a nice smell, usually from food. The aroma is amazing. Number 5. Delicious. Delicious means very, very tasty. This food is delicious. Number 6. Taste. To taste means to try food with your mouth. I want to taste it. Number 7. Crowded. Crowded means full of many, many people. Wow, it is so crowded tonight. Number 8. Souvenir. A souvenir is a small gift you buy to remember a place. I want a souvenir. Number 9. Bargain. To bargain means to talk about a lower price. Can we bargain? Number 10. Snack. A snack is a small, yummy food you eat between meals. Night markets have the best snacks. Great job! Now let's walk through the market. Okay, friends, I just arrived at Jonker Street. It is 7 o'clock at night and the street is already glowing. Red lanterns are hanging above my head. Music is playing and people are everywhere. The street is so crowded. Say it. The street is so crowded. On my left, there are food stalls. On my right, there are souvenir stalls. And right in the middle, the whole street smells so good. The aroma is amazing. Say it. The aroma is amazing. I can see steam coming from the stalls. Someone is cooking noodles. Someone is frying chicken. My mouth is already watering. Friends, look up. So many lanterns. Red ones, yellow ones, orange ones, all glowing like little suns in the night sky. The lanterns are so beautiful. Say it. The lanterns are so beautiful. Under the lanterns, the street is bright and colorful. Children are laughing, friends are taking photos, and I feel so happy. This night market is magical. It feels like a festival every night. I love the lanterns. Say it. I love the lanterns. Now, friends, the best part. Food. I am standing in front of a food stall. The hawker, the man who sells the food, is smiling at me. He is cooking satay, little sticks of chicken with a delicious smell. He says, "Try one, Emma." I take a bite. Mmm, this satay is so delicious. Say it. This satay is so delicious. Next, I want to taste something sweet. Look, chendol. It is green noodles, sweet coconut milk, and ice. So cold and sweet on a hot night. I want to taste it. Say it. I want to taste it. Wow! It is sweet, creamy, and so refreshing. Malacca snacks are the best. Okay friends, I am full. But now I want to shop. Look at this souvenir store. There are little wooden houses, colorful fans, keychains, and magnets. This souvenir is so beautiful. Say it. This souvenir is so beautiful. I love this little wooden Malacca house. The price is 20 ringgit. Can we bargain? I smile and ask, can you make it cheaper? The seller smiles and says, okay, 15 ringgit. We bargain and we both laugh. I love bargaining at the night market. Friends, listen. There is music at the end of the street. A man is playing guitar and people are clapping. The night air is warm, the lanterns are glowing, and the whole street feels happy and alive. This night market is paradise at night. Say it. This night market is paradise at night. I am sitting down with my chendol, watching the lights, listening to the music. Malacca, you are wonderful. I don't want to leave. Okay friends, let's practice. I say the beginning, you finish it. Ready? The street is so crowded. The street is so crowded. Yes. The lanterns are so beautiful. The lanterns are so beautiful. Good. The aroma is amazing. The aroma is amazing. Yes. This satay is so delicious. This satay is so delicious. Well done. I want to taste it. I want to taste it. Perfect. This souvenir is so beautiful. This souvenir is so beautiful. Great. Can we bargain? Can we bargain? Yes. This night market is paradise. This night market is paradise. Excellent. You did great. High five. Quiz time. Pay attention. Where is Emma tonight? Is it A. Thailand, B. Malacca, Malaysia, C. Vietnam? The answer is B. Malacca, Malaysia. Emma is at the Jonker Street Night Market. What does aroma mean? Is it A. a nice smell from food, B. a loud sound, C. a bright light? The answer is A. A nice smell from food. The aroma is amazing. What does to bargain mean? Is it A. To eat quickly, B. To talk about a lower price, C. To sing a song? The answer is B. To talk about a lower price. Can we bargain? 3 out of 3. You are a night market expert. Let's quickly review what we learned tonight. We learned 10 night market words. Night market, stall, lantern, aroma, delicious, taste, crowded, souvenir, bargain, and snack. We said the lanterns are so beautiful. We said this satay is so delicious. We said this night market is paradise at night. You did a wonderful job. I am so proud of you. And next time we are staying in Malacca, but by day we will visit the colorful historic streets, see the old red buildings, take a boat on the Malacca River, and learn more new words. I cannot wait. But for now, your homework: tell someone at home what delicious snack you want to taste at a night market. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.